morning, ma'am.
क्या बनाया है आप लोग?
This is the story of village Palampur, and Palampur is a hypothetical village, and it is very well developed village.
It has a very well developed agriculture, irrigation, transportation, electricity, education and healthcare with the support of government. So if the government focuses like this on every village of the country, then the migration rate from the rural areas to the urban areas will decrease and the employment will improve, improving the economy of the country. So this was our project related to the Palampur, showing how a developed village of a country can help the country in the development.
And what is your name? Farmer use the method of HYV seeds irrigation.
Where is Palampur?
Palampur is a hypothetical village. It is it's an imaginary village.
Imaginary
Yes.
बहुत अच्छा
नहीं,
है।
वो लोग फ्रंट में आ गया था ना, इसलिए साइड में खाता तो नहीं।
गुड मॉर्निंग। ये क्या है?
This is the poem which is based on the poem The Solitary Reaper, written by William Wordsworth.
हो गया?
In this poem, it shows that a young lady working alone in the field and singing melodious song that touches the poet's heart deeply and leave a lasting impact.
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग, बताइए।
Yes, ma'am. We is the students of class 9B are presenting a biology project on the tutti part of the human heart. As you may know, the human heart is a muscular organ located slightly to the left side of the chest. Its main function is to pump blood continuously throughout the body. It has four chambers: the right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and the left ventricle. The right atrium all receives the right atrium receives the deoxygenated blood from the entire body, whereas the right ventricle pumps this deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary artery. Then the left atrium receives the oxygenated blood from the lungs with the help of pulmonary vein, and the left ventricle pumps this oxygenated blood throughout the body with the help of aorta. Thank you, man.
वेलकम।
3D मॉडल है। यहाँ पर हम लोग हार्ट का पंप होने का वो दिखा रहे हैं कि हार्ट बीट हो रहा है, और वहीं पे यहाँ पर हम लोग दिखाएंगे ब्लड ट्रांसफर होते हुए। ऐसे हम लोग
अरे सर, आपका पानी लीक हो रहा है क्या?
No, sir. Digestion is done in small intestine, and water absorption is done in large intestine. So it's working.
Good morning, Anand. This is our product balance sheet. Balance sheet have
Good evening, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Students will not stand in front of the exhibition. Let your parents.
Part of our life and connects us with family, friends, and entire world. We use it to share ideas, input, and experiences, but let's be mindful of our polite presence. Use it to spread positivity, learning, and creativity. Now, I would like to talk about WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a popular messaging app that lets you chat, make voice and video calls. Use it to stay connected with friends and family. But remember to set a self-prioritized boundary and real-life interactions. Stay safe online and avoid sharing sensitive information.
एक्सप्लेन करो, क्या बनाई हो?
Civilization is also known as Indus Valley civilization. It is located in present day in Pakistan, about 24 kilometers west of Harappa. It was flourished around 2600 BC. The roots of Harappa civilization were established in 1921 by archaeologists. The houses in Indus Valley civilization was strong, organized and clean. It shows that how the people living 500 years BCE were valued the privacy, hygiene and comfort. The houses were made by the baked bricks, using the baked bricks and and it maintained
उनके रख देते हैं उनका
It is not just geography, it is the living story of water's journey, shaped by nature, sustained by eco-consciousness.
how is this?
भाई देखो ऐसा रहता था पहले का कि अभी तक याद है मुझे लगता है
तो ध्यान नहीं रहेगा
रटवाया जाता था
नहीं ना
टीचर लोग
Gravity pull. Yet dreams can fly. Numbers unlock the earth and sky. With